onto Central Park Place, then continue straight.
Headed over to the library. We're open till 5. Right now it's about 10 minutes till 2 on Sunday. A little warm snap here in Woodbury, Minnesota. 21 degrees or something like that. Let me check it real quick. 19. Compared to where we've been down to like minus 11. Tomorrow we're supposed to be almost to freezing. Tuesday it's going to be 34. So that's going to feel like a heat wave compared to minus 11. This is a really cool library. I don't know if you've seen this library in Woodbury, but this library is so cool. R.H. Stafford. They have a Atrium. They refer to it as Central Park.
Your destination is on the right.
There's an indoor waterfall, a fireplace, amphitheater, all in the entryway. A bunch of glass windows, glass walls that connect the entryway to the library. Just a really delightful place